The two alleged killers of Jostina Sangweni are expected to apply for bail in the Protea Magistrate's Court in Soweto this morning. They're alleged to have murdered Sangweni, who was dressed like a sangoma. They allegedly accused her of witchcraft. 59-year-old Sangweni was said to have been mentally ill. Dysfunctional water pipes forced the closure of the court building last week. For the latest on the story, we cross live now to our colleague Maageketla Mohlabe, who's outside or inside actually the courthouse. Maageketla, very good morning to you. What can we expect today?
Yeah, very good morning to you. Desiree, as you mentioned in the intro, we expect Diallo Dipolo as well as Colin Sello to apply for bail because they have since been remanded in custody since their arrest just late March. So we expected the proceedings to get underway here at the Protea Magistrate Court. But I can tell you that it has been long waiting for the family, specifically because it has since been about 3 postponements. But according to the family, it looks like patience has been a thing here in the court. They are saying that they are willing to wait, even if it could take 10 years for this case to get underway. But what they were saying is that they feel that this is not only about Sangweni's family. This is a case about women in the country who continue to die in the hands of some men, specifically in the traditional healing industry, in which when some of the traditional healers are seen wearing the traditional regalia, they are then referred to as witches. And that's what happened late March when Jostina Sangweni was seen at a stranger's gate in Soweto, where she was then kept against her will. And as a result, you, I'm sure, might have seen a video clip about 5 minutes long in which she was told that she was a witch, and she was also kicked, assaulted, insulted, spat on as well. And in that video, you could actually hear her pleading for forgiveness and maintaining that she is not a witch. But in that particular video, you could actually also hear one of the guys on the phone telling somebody on the line on the other side, saying that they had caught a witch in their premises. And later, that's when we understand that she was set alight. She died a week later. But there has been a call from the traditional healing organizations across the country, even here in Soweto, saying that there should be some form of education when it comes to mental illness. As you might be aware that she had been diagnosed with schizophrenia. As a result, she then even told, when we go back to that particular video clip, telling the guys to say that I'm willing to give you the contact numbers of my family so that you can give them a call and try to understand what's happening with me. But they didn't want to give her a chance until she was then banned severely, and she later died in hospital.
Quite a sad story of affairs, state of affairs, Maageketla. Just in terms of the challenges faced by the courthouse with water pipes and that, has that been sorted out? I don't know if Maageketla is still able to hear us, seemingly not, but we will return to him later on for an update on that story.